So, what's going on today?
Not fun stuff.
So, we went to the UMI Challenge up in Pennsylvania over well, I shouldn't say the weekend. It was Friday and Saturday, so partially over the weekend. And we didn't have the Camaro done. Of course, we haven't had enough time to do that. So, we took Tinkerbell, and what happened?
She broke.
But not the motor, which is thankful.
No. 1-2 shift on the third run, boom, no gears. So probably the input shaft on the trans.
And it was only his third run, so it was really the start of the weekend, essentially.
Yeah.
So that kind of stunk.
So 1,400 miles of driving for, a minute and 40 seconds of seat time.
But that's not the only reason why you go. We had a great
we
time.
actually had fun hanging out with everybody.
We met some new people. We got to hang out with some people that we really didn't know that well, that we know better now.
Yep. But we should be working on this, and we're about to change the transmission on the RX-7 because it's got to be ready for Road America.
We're going to have to move the Camaro, which doesn't have front suspension on it, across the garage and get Tinkerbell in here so we can change out this transmission and get her back running. Fun times.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, you are controlling.
Are we okay over there?
Yeah, you got plenty of room. Plenty of room. Can you push on it towards your grout bellies a little bit? Oh, you got room on that side. Okay.
Straighten up. Straighten up. Turn.
I hope you got that on video. Oh my God, that missed me by that much.
It didn't miss me. It fucking nailed me.
I tried to catch it as it went by.
Oh, shit.
Okay, then.
What you consider where I'm sitting
Barely missed
and
it.
how it doesn't hit me.
Look, Dan.
It turned.
I finally did
Oh,
it.
you got the real thing?
I finally did it. Watch.
Dude, you almost got me with
Hey, Dan, will you come over and help us work on the car?
so you can
Then
take
knock
this
him out cold and work over.
to your head. Hello!
We'll have to make Dan wear a helmet.
And I felt it. That's what made me. I reached out. I was just too slow.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, Mia.
She's right under your foot.
Yeah, I kicked her.
It's magic. 2 bolts left to come out.
Well, the good thing is that if we drop it, it's already broken.
So the question is, do you just want to move this out of the way and you hold the tail shaft up while I...
Yeah, neither one of you.
Mia,
Open it.
Mia, over here, girl. Just telling Mia to get out of the way. Don't need to be under your...
Okay, ready?
I think you're going to probably need something to open it. Oh, there we go. Hold on, hold on.
some of it.
Mia, come here. Watch the board.
Okay. We'll probably use this one on each side. Usually we do one in front and one in the back. Huh? Is that what you want to do? Person in the front drives them in, the person in the back pushes. Okay. I think I got more push than you do. Okay. Maybe. First we got it. All right? Yep. You want me up there? Nope. Hold on. Okay.
Watch it, Mia. Move.
There it goes. Gotta get the line in, boys. There it is. There it is.
Oh my lord.
Quick enough?
Yeah?
Did you
It
get
looks,
it?
it looks painful.
Only on your hands, your fingers, your toes.
Your back.
Well, your back not so much unless you're bent over because the car's too tight. Yeah, I only smashed one finger. It wasn't bad.
Oh.
Brian was feeling
You
his
didn't s-
oldies though, man. He bench pressed that trigger. You see that? Okay, you want the rubber back in here. This off of it. Good.
You have to cut that zip tie back off there.
Yeah, we'll cut it.
Here, I'll do it, Dan. I'll take care of it.
Where's my safety glasses? It didn't hit me at all. I almost caught it. But that's twice. Light flashed.
Safety glasses and a helmet. We're gonna start making you wear
So I
buttons.
was standing in the car without beating my head against it.
What is all the white stuff on this one? It's weird. See? Well, that's fun.
Pretty sort of.